Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious stuffed chicken breast with spinach. It comes out amazing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am ready to prepare the filling. I have 1 bar of cream cheese at room temperature. I'm adding the spices: parsley, black pepper, salt, garlic powder. I am going to incorporate all these ingredients into the cream cheese. Of course, Parmesan cheese, I'm adding 1 cup. I'm going to mix it very well with the spatula, and now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. Incorporate it really good, and I have about 4 cups of spinach. I am going to add everything in here. Before I add that, I'm going to dice 3 garlic really good. I want to make sure that the garlic really releases all the amazing and delicious flavor into this delicious filling. Look at this. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to fall in love with it. I have, like I said, 4 cups of spinach. I am going to just chop it a little bit, and then I am going to incorporate. This is the best way to incorporate it with your hands, making sure that everything gets well incorporated with all those cheeses, with the cream cheese. Just amazing. Once this is done, pull it apart so that you are ready to continue with your chicken breast. Of course, not all chicken breasts are the same. Some chicken breasts are nice and thin, some are really nice and thick. So just make sure that you try to get all the chicken breasts the same size. But if you don't, I am going to show you what to do. I'm going to get some toothpicks, and I am going to make sure that I put the toothpick right on the edge so that the filling doesn't come out. This is very important. You really want to make sure that everything stays inside the chicken breast. This is a large chicken breast. Look what I'm going to do, because not all chicken breasts come the same. So what I love to do when I have a large chicken breast, I love to slice it through the center, cut it, and then slice it again through the center and make that little pocket to add all the amazing filling. Don't forget to add your toothpicks. I know that this is time consuming, but let me tell you, this recipe, this dish is so delicious. The chicken really comes out really moist, really tender, and the flavors just amazing. Remember, the salt is to taste. I added to the cream cheese 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 garlic cloves, and then I mix everything in. Here I have paprika, parsley, and salt. And I am going to cover the whole top of the chicken breast. Just like that. Let me tell you, these chicken breasts really come out so delicious that once you make them, you are going to continue enjoying them. Enjoying what Cooking with Gloria cooks at home for her beautiful family. Once you have covered the chicken breast from the outside of the skin, then we are going to go to the stove, and we're going to start by frying all the outside of the chicken breast. On the pan, I have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, nice and hot. I'm going to lay the chicken breast. I am going to leave them just like that for 4 minutes. You don't want to be manipulating them too much. You don't want all the filling to come out. So as soon as you do that, leave it alone for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, then you are ready to flip them. Just make sure that they are nice and brown. You really want the chicken breast to get that beautiful, amazing color, nice and crispy. By this time, you have preheated your oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Always preheat your oven at least 10 minutes before you add your chicken breast in there. Look at this. They are golden brown from both sides. Now, this is the best part. Putting the pan into your oven and leaving it there for 15 minutes. You are going to need a thermometer. After the 15 minutes, you need to check. The temperature should be 165 or higher. You want to make sure that you get the thickest breast, and this is done. Once it comes up to 165, you know that it is cooked completely, cooked through. And those little drippings that are on the pan, oh, they come out so delicious and so amazing. My mouth is watering. My home smells delicious. And why not enjoy this amazing stuffed chicken breast? Just make sure that you remove the toothpicks. Look at this. Remove every single toothpick before you dig in and you enjoy this amazing stuffed chicken breast. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And like I always say, be generous with your filling. Look at this. This just smells delicious. The chicken is so moist. And this is the best part, tasting and enjoying your recipes. Look at this. I know that your mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. Look at this. Look how delicious and gooey this looks. I am ready to start plating all my chicken breast into a plate for the presentation, and I can't wait to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you enjoy the same thing I enjoy here with my beautiful family. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to taste. I am completely done with this amazing stuffed chicken breast. This is the part I love and enjoy. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Oh my God. The chicken's so tender. Delicious. Let me tell you, the chicken breast is so moist and tender. You're going to really love this recipe. And the filling, perfection. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing recipe. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken breast stuffed with spinach and cheese. See you soon. Bye-bye.